In today's video, I'm going to show you how to limit logins to allowed IPs in HubSpot so you can control exactly where your team can access your account from. This is a powerful security feature that helps protect sensitive data by restricting login access to specific office locations, VPNs, or trusted networks. If you're an admin or business owner who wants tighter security, this step-by-step guide is for you. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This will take you into your main account configuration area where all administrative controls are located. Inside the settings menu, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Depending on your HubSpot version, you'll either click on Account Setup or directly on Security. Both options lead you toward the same security configuration area. Go ahead and click Security to continue. Once you're inside the security settings, scroll through the options until you find Login Monitoring or Login and SSO. Click on that section. This is where HubSpot allows you to manage login behavior, authentication settings, and access restrictions for your entire organization. Now, scroll down further until you see a section labeled Allowed IP Addresses or Restrict Login to Specific IP Ranges. This is the area that controls IP-based access restrictions. What this does is allow you to define exactly which IP addresses are permitted to log into your HubSpot account. To begin adding restrictions, click on Add IP Address or Add Range. A field will appear where you can enter the specific IP address you want to allow. If you're restricting access to a single office location, you'll typically enter that office's public IP address. If you're using a VPN, you'll enter the VPN static IP address instead. Carefully type in the IP address or IP range, double-check it for accuracy, and then click Save. If you need to add multiple IP addresses, simply repeat this process. Click Add again, enter the next IP, and save it. Make sure you include every trusted network that should have access. It's very important not to miss your own current IP address, or you could accidentally lock yourself out once restrictions are enabled. After you've added all allowed IP addresses, the next and most important step is enabling the restriction itself. Look for the toggle labeled Restrict Login to these IPs. Turn this toggle on. HubSpot will usually display a warning message letting you know that users outside of the specified IP addresses will no longer be able to log in. Read that warning carefully and confirm the change. Once confirmed, HubSpot will immediately begin enforcing the restriction. From this point forward, only users connecting from the allowed IP addresses you specified will be able to access the account. And that's it. You've successfully limited logins to allowed IPs in HubSpot. This adds a strong extra layer of security, especially for teams handling sensitive customer data or internal business information. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future security and admin tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.